Where are you now? Under the sea.
Welcome back. I've come across an old farm. I think it may be a dairy farm. Let's take a look around. Got windows. Old dairy farm, I think. It's where the cows would have been here, lot, and drinking out these little troughs. Let's move on that way. People have been dumping all their rubbish in here. That doesn't go anywhere. That truck up there.
Yeah.
Let's hide from that. Can't get you. Yeah, get in.
Still see it, haven't you?
No. It's like all bird boxes over there. These are all like bird boxes.
I think I put that, he was in it.
Sorry. Not really much in here.
No.
There's not a lot I can say about this place, but this is the last building. So let's just take a look inside here. We can. Yeah, this looks like the milking part, I suppose. Seems to be quite busy around here. I'm going to have to hurry up and get out here, I think. What? No, I don't think so. The place absolutely stinks. This is where they used to bath the sheep, I think. The dipping part where they take the sheep down here and dip them, and out through the other side they go. I can smell like disinfectant. So this is where they used to bath the sheep, I think. The sheep just goes down in there and out through the other end.
Oh.
It's like these huge tanks on the other side. Like. Can you smell like disinfectant?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's strong, isn't it? You know, still strong, like even though the place has been shut for a while. There's really not a lot more to explore, I suppose. I suppose that's it, really. So I'm going to leave it there. Please like, please subscribe. There's not really much more down here, so it looks like it's an old dairy farm, and where they used to dip sheep or any cattle, I suppose. There's like a little bath down there. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to leave it there. So I'll see you again soon. Say ta-ra, John. Ta-ra.
When the rain is blowing in.